Hi, I'm Dr. Elizabeth Carter. I've worked for over 15 years in the field of audiology, and I know how exhausting living with tinnitus can be. That constant ringing in the ears, it steals your focus, your sleep, and your peace of mind. But today, I want to talk about something that's bringing relief to thousands, a natural supplement called Quietum Plus. Quietum Plus was created specifically to support hearing health and reduce tinnitus symptoms. Unlike typical solutions that just mask the ringing, Quietum Plus targets the root cause, supporting your auditory nerves, brain function, and inner ear health. Its formula combines natural herbs, vitamins, and antioxidants known for their benefits to the nervous system and hearing, including ingredients like hawthorn, yam root, and motherwort. And what I appreciate most as a doctor, Quietum Plus contains no chemicals or harmful stimulants. It's non-GMO and made in FDA-registered facilities in the U.S. Patients tell me all the time, Dr. Carter, I finally slept through the night without that buzzing sound. This is the first time in years I can concentrate at work. This has changed my life. If you suffer from tinnitus, please don't wait until it gets worse. Quietum Plus could be the natural support your ears and brain need right now. Just make sure you order from the official website to avoid fake products. I'll leave the link right below this video for you. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. Elizabeth Carter. Take care of your health and see you next time. Take care of your hearing. You deserve to live in silence again.